feeling today? Yeah. How you feeling? I'm feeling great.
What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be going furniture shopping for our living room. We're gonna be getting, what are we getting? A living room set?
Yeah,
or is that what we're looking
sofa
for?
or something? I don't know what I want yet.
Yeah,
just
we're
something
hoping
that's gonna
for something that's gonna jump out at us. We like know what we're looking for and like what our standards are with the furniture. So yeah, it's gonna be fun.
yeah.
Chloe, how are you?
Don't worry, the hair is coming up because I can feel it.
Yeah. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Okay, Chloe, you definitely gonna feel it.
Hard to look for furniture because I know what I want and the ideas in my head.
Exactly.
But just hopefully I can find it.
Exactly.
Like I was looking on Wayfair. There's a couple things that I saw on Wayfair that I liked. So I'm just gonna see what I could find in person and then compare and I don't know, contrast and see if I'll find, I don't know. We'll see. Have my patties. Can I have my patty?
Patty's back here. Do you want mama pineapples, honey bun? I got a couple Oreos.
So I'm eating my Jamaican beef patty and I put it between two slices of bread. Trying to create my own little cocoa bread.
We came stopped. Everybody's like, oh, can I get my food? This is what I have. I'm just out here whipping out everybody's food.
You feel the ear, right?
Yeah.
Continue on
Chloe, can you feel it?
15 north for 5 miles.
Yeah. Oh no, $200. $200 to do what? These people are insane. How you want to charge me $200 to open my glove compartment and take out the filter and put in the new filter? You did nothing.
Okay. So did you guys do anything today?
I just clean and got rid of stuff that we don't need. Pack some things to donate.
Okay.
Get rid of some old bills. I still have to go through.
So what we're doing right now is cleaning out what we had in our living room space and setting up for
the new stuff.
Yeah, to actually get a living room set and everything in to like decorate and whatever.
Yeah. Dana, show them the scenery. Show them the scenery. Like when I first came out here and saw these mountains, I was in love. Like you literally see the mountains everywhere. Like that's so beautiful. It's like we're in a big old bowl. For real, surrounded by mountains. I already have an idea of all the things that I want to get. We're just gonna go check this furniture store. We're gonna check RC Wiley. We're gonna check Bob's Discount Furniture. Like I hate shopping around. I just like to see what I want, get it. Pretty much saw everything that I wanted on Wayfair, but I'm gonna just, check out. Okay, dude, why you speeding down like that? Jeez.
Okay guys, so now we're heading out into the Bob's Discount Furniture store. Oh, I love it. I love it in here. It's beautiful. What is this one? Are you feeling this one?
I don't know if this is the color I'm going for or looking for, but feeling. It feels nice and soft.
$1,200. That's hot. That's hot.
No.
I'm not even like really a silver girl, but that's pretty.
Okay, I like this one. This one is a little bit more sturdy or more solid.
I was just gonna say what is
That one is too soft. Did you feel that one?
I did. I prefer that one.
That one?
Yeah.
No.
Your foot disappears in the rug.
Your foot does.
That's
I like this. I like the sturdy. I like the sturdy. That one, I feel like we just sunk in too. I don't want to sink in. I need it to hold us up. I am liking this. I don't know. Do you think this will be too big? No, right? No, it'll be fine.
It will be fine.
Okay.
I don't love this one though. The rug is $400. The big fluffy rug is $400.
Do you want to get separate pieces or you want to get a sectional? I just feel like sectional is more cozy. And
I was just gonna say I like the like togetherness feel of it. You know.
yeah. Everybody hanging out.
Yeah.
You could be there. I could be there. Chloe's right there.
Oh, my sweet sweetheart. You did okay. Okay, let's try another one.
I don't know. Do you like this one? Do you like the feel
I
of this
do.
one?
I like this one more. The fabric of it is so much softer against the
Right?
skin. That's why I was saying I didn't like the last one because it felt so rough. Like I would not be comfortable sitting in it. This one is nice.
To both pieces. Yeah. And I'm sure it's because the material is a different type of material. Like a chenille, whatever they want to call it.
I like it. Okay, well I don't mind
I
it.
like the height. It's higher.
I don't mind it. But it could be fluffier and like comfier. Like I don't like how it's so like square and everything
I
is
feel
so
like you have more
like.
space to like lay out.
No, I'm not saying whatever. I'm just saying it's so square and like boxy and everything. So there's no like fluffy. There's no fluffy comfort to it.
This will be perfect for our game nights.
Yes,
This
yes
will be
it
perfect for our
would.
game night.
Oh, this is still recording.
1,500.
Oh.
Wow. Oh no. It's too soft.
Too soft? No.
Have a seat.
I could see the way when you
See the way I
bounce.
bounce?
Yeah. Exactly.
don't-
This
yeah.
is firm. That's not a nipple.
And stop doing that before you get dizzy.
Okay, so
Yeah, we saw some good stuff. We have two options that we like, and we'll be going back if we don't find anything at RC Wiley.
yeah, so we're gonna check the other store. Check out the other store, and then decide.
Look. Wait, look. It's about.
Go,
there
go,
you
go,
go. There you
go,
go.
there you go.
There you go. You can't say you didn't see that. You can't say you didn't see that.
Hey guys, it's the next day, and we are still on the hunt for our living room set, but we are looking for like a little cart to place in the kitchen, and yeah, so we're at IKEA for that. We came across a dresser that was really nice, and that's what we're gonna get for Chloe because we're trying to upgrade her. Fun, right, girl? Upgrade.
Then you'll have your long sleeve, your short sleeve, your dresses. Yeah, but you have 8, and these are actually pretty.
Yeah, they're big.
They're good size.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
279, that's not bad. Okay. And I like the fact that it has the legs.
Yeah, that it's
I
high.
hate that it.
Yeah.
The ones that's
I
like
know
down
you
on
do.
the ground.
Okay, so I'm actually super excited to be here where we are right now, which is IKEA. Okay, so I'm really excited to be here because everything here you have to build it yourself,
And she's weird people.
I am totally about that. Like literally, call me and I will make your table, your dressers, your TV stands, your beds. I've done them all.
So what are we looking at right now?
Shelves. Yeah, so this is the new
My
Built.
dresser.
that we're about to do.
for me.
How do you feel about this one?
I like this.
Yeah, I mean this is cool. Yeah,
It's good. It's good. It's
and
good.
it's like
It's good.
You have to be mindful of the color too.
yeah, Chloe. Don't prove us why we shouldn't get a color like this.
By the wall. So
You want bookshelves like this?
no, I mean in our house, yeah. No, no.
Well, it's pretty simple, but like I said, no, it's pretty simple, pretty basic, but.
It's something like this, but it doesn't have wheels on all four. So this would be perfect to put my fruits and things. We just need to find
You think this one? Not
that
this?
one, but not that.
That, but not that.
Yeah, but it
Got
has
it.
the same 3 trays. Had the same looking trays. We just
Wheels.
need. It has wheels in the back, but not in the front.
Excuse me. You know the name, like, if you know it's like L, it starts with an L, you would know, right?
Everything here has Swedish names to it.
Right.
Yeah.
And it's always popping up in my Instagram feed because I was looking at it.
This is what she was asking about. This whole time the
It is
kitchen
so
cart she's been
tiny.
looking for.
Oh my god. It's so tiny.
Look at these tiny wheels.
Oh, it's all
Yeah.
and the one.
Okay. Muscle man.
It's a muscle woman for your information.
I hope it's
All right.
bookcase.
Yeah, we're winging it because this is a lot of stuff to be getting to fit in the car.
We
We don't even
definitely
have a
winging
big
it.
car. Like, we bought a lot of things. There's a lot of boxes. And we're just trying to figure out how we're going to make it fit into the car. But we work wonders, so we'll see. So we'll be back to see how we fit it into the car. So we've got the seat down. Focus. Seat down. Now we might be able to make it work. Boom. The biggest one is in there. Now we just need to make everything else fit at the bottom. Because look, there's space. So maybe we should have put, or maybe we should try to fit something at the bottom.
You know what, Dana?
Or set the bottom flat.
You know what? I didn't think it would fit. You know what, Dana?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting there to have all that space there.
Things we do for furniture.
Heck yeah. Okay. Hey.
It fits, guys, it fits. What are your thoughts on doing this project?
This is fun. First of all, the sun is gone.
Yeah, it's not.
So it's not hot. It's nice and breezy.
It's just a matter of will this actually fit?
It will.
Because like we have to make it fit.
Yeah, because we already paid for it. Thanks. It's like-
Okay.
Is it working, Dana?
Yeah, is it working? Look, we just got 3 of them in there.
Got 3.
Gotta make it work. Gotta make it work. Oh yeah. Thank you for that. What about that? It fits.
It fits.
Boom. Look at that. Oh, actually.
Oh, this is the least.
Literally.
Look at my little baby. Look at my baby, my little baby. Oh,
Yeah.
look at my little baby gun there.
Okay.
Look at my little baby gun there. Look at that. See, you can go back to. So y'all have room. Chloe, Dana in first. So I'm looking for the arms of the chair, of the computer chair, and this is so cool.
Uh-oh.
Okay, no, I think that's the end.
Yeah.
So that's like so cool. Look at this, like all the tools are
I was so
literally
wondering where the heck everything
in
else was.
the back of the chair. This is so freaking cool.
Okay, so we're just about to call it a night. We haven't finished. Okay, I'm warning. Sorry. We're calling it quits because it's about to be 6:30. We're not done yet, but the last bit we have to hammer, and we're not rude. So, ow, ow.
Oh, careful.
Finish up in the morning.